Let us study about energy. Life is impossible without energy. The demand for energy is ever increasing. Many of our energy sources are derived from the sun. We can also get energy from the nuclei of atom. The word energy is very oftenly used in our daily life, but in science we give it a definite and precise meaning. Okay. The definition of energy. Energy of an object is its capacity for doing work. It has a capacity to doing work, and the unit of energy is same as that of work, that is joule. For example, an object when raised to a certain height gets capability to do work. And one more example, a raised hammer falls on a nail placed on the piece of wood. It drives the nail into the wood. We have also observed the children's winding a toy, and when the toy is placed on the floor, it starts moving. One more example, when a balloon is filled with air and press it, we notice change its shape. As long as we press it gently, it can come back to its original shape. When the force is withdrawn, however, if the press the balloon hard, it can even explode producing a blasting sound. Okay, these are the examples of energy. And there are different form of energy, that is in the form of heat energy, light energy, electrical energy, chemical energy, mechanical energy, and potential energy plus kinetic energy. These are the energies are in different forms. Okay. First, let us study about kinetic energy. Already you know, a moving object can do work. An object moving faster can do more work than the identical object moving relatively slow. A moving bullet, blowing wind, rotatory wheel, speeding stone can do work. A falling coconut, a speeding car, a rolling stone, flying aircraft, flowing water, blowing wind, running athletes, etc., it possesses a kinetic energy. Okay, in short, kinetic energy is the energy possessed by an object due to its motion. The kinetic energy of an object increases with the speed. Okay, then how much energy is possessed by a moving body by virtue of motion? The definition of kinetic energy is body moving with a certain velocity is equal to the work done on its make it acquire that velocity. The kinetic energy possessed by an object mass m and moving with uniform velocity v. Then kinetic energy is denoted by Ek. Then it is calculated equal to 1 by 2 mv square, mass and velocity of the object. M is the mass, moving with uniform velocity is v. Okay. Then one example, an object of the mass is m is 15 kg is moving with a uniform velocity 4 meter per second square. What is the kinetic energy possessed by the object? Mass of the object is 15 kg. Velocity of the object is 4 meter per second. Then you substitute the value in kinetic energy formula, E equal to 1 by 2 mE square. You substitute the value. Mass of the object is 15 kg. Velocity of the object is 4 meter per second. Then 1 by 2 into 15 kg into 4 meter. V square is 4 into 4. And here 4 4s are 16. 2 8s are 16. 15 into 16 is 120 joules. The kinetic energy of the object is 120 joules.